Good morning. Today we will review how to complete a square for a quadratic function. How can we complete the square? You know that we can solve the quadratic function by completing the square, and this method can we can use this method to solve any quadratic equation if it's factorable or not factorable. Like the quadratic formula, you can use it to solve any quadratic function. This is very important. We will use it when we graph the quadratic function by using the vertex form. So let's try to review it today. How can we complete the square for this equation? X squared plus 2x minus 3. If you remember, if you draw or set up a box like this or a square, where we can put the x squared. Do you remember where is the location of x squared? Yes, exactly. It's to the left, top to the left. Okay, this is x squared. And 2x, this middle term should be here in the diagonal. We cut it into two, or we divide it into two equals. 2x is 1x and 1x. If you combine these two together, give you 2x, which is in the middle. Okay? If you have x squared up here, that means you have x outside and x outside. We want to find the factors, what's outside. Okay? And 1x means there is 1 here. So, and 1 here. X plus 1 and x plus 1. Now you have to think what is the number we have to put here to complete this square. We multiply this number by this number. Okay, so what is the number? The number, yeah, 1 times 1 equals 1. Okay, so we need to add 1 to this equation to complete the square. That means we need x squared plus 2x plus 1. Where we will put this negative 3? We won't move this negative 3 from this side to the other side. That means we will add 3 first. If you add 3 here, you have to add 3 in the other side. So x squared plus 2x will be equal 3. Now we want to add this one to the equation. Add 1 here and add 1 to the other side. You have x squared plus 2x plus 1 equals 4. X squared plus 2x plus 1. X squared plus 2x plus 1. All this, what inside this box, equals the same as the outside, the factors. X plus 1 and x plus 1 means x plus 1 square. So x plus 1 square equals 4. This is the answer. X plus 1 square equals 4. Let's see another example. Rewrite the equation by completing the square. X squared plus 4x. Okay, we have a box here. We know where is x squared. We will put it up here. And 4x in the diagonal. Cut it into two equals. 4x, put 2x here and 2x here. Let's see what's outside this box. X squared means you have x here and here. 2x, that means you have 2 up and 2 on the side, plus what is inside this box? 2 times 2 equals, yes, 4. That means we need to add 4 to this equation. We have x squared plus 4x. We need 4. X squared plus 4x plus 4. I will add 4 to this equation. X squared plus 4x plus 4. Add 4 to that side means add the same to the other side. This is what inside the box equals the same what's outside. X plus 2 times x plus 2, x plus 2 square equals 4. And this is the answer. This is completing the square. X plus 2. I didn't solve the equation, by the way. Today we will not solve the equation. Just we will remember how to complete the square. Equals 4 in the other side. The other one, we write the function by completing the square. F of x equal x squared minus 16x plus 76. Okay, they are the same. Okay, x squared in the left top, negative 16x. 2 equals negative 16, negative 8x, and negative 8x. Because negative 8 and negative 8 give you negative 16, the middle term. Put them in the diagonal, okay? That means we have x outside here, outside, negative 8 up, negative 8 here. So x minus 8 and x minus 8. What do you think we want to put in this empty box? We multiply negative 8 times negative 8. Negative times negative positive, 8 times 8, 64. That means we want to add 64 to this equation. But first, move this 76 from this side to the other side. Okay, x squared minus 16x equals 76. Now I will add 64. I'm sorry, this is negative 76. I will add 64, add 64 here, and add 64. Okay, what's outside? X minus 8 square equals negative 76 plus 64 equals what? Equals negative 12. Okay, and if we move this to the other side will be positive 12. Okay, we don't have to move it to this side. Let's erase this one. Because we need them in one side. Okay, so it's x minus 8 square plus 12. X minus 8 square plus 12. Okay, let's see the first and the second one. Okay, again, this one is different than this because this is an equation. We don't put it equal 0. Negative 12 in the right side. If we move it to the left side will be positive 12. Okay, you have the same in your assignment today on Khan Academy. If you need any help, let me know. Have a good day. Bye.